Welcome to Kiddy Can Draw, where we make drawing fun and easy. Would you like to dive under the sea and learn how to draw a cute octopus? Let's start drawing. First, draw an incomplete circle that is open at the bottom. Make it large enough to fit the face features. To draw the eyes, make a curved line inside the circle, then half an oval shape on top. Then draw a small curve at the top for the eyelid. Then draw 2 half circles inside on the side. Draw 2 triangular shapes at the outer side of the eye for the eyelash. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other eye. Color the pupils of the eyes, leaving white spots to show light reflection. Draw a curved line under the eyes with a half circle at the bottom for the smiley mouth. Draw a small curve on each corner of the mouth and draw the tongue inside. Start by drawing a leg on each side, each one connecting to the bottom of the incomplete circle. Make a swirl at the end of each arm. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw another couple of arms similarly in the middle. Fill the gaps between the arms and on the sides with some more legs. Decorate each leg with a line near the middle. Decorate the bottom part of each leg with tiny circles. So cute! Now you can draw a cute octopus. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. to achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your color. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.